Good morning, everyone. Today we are at IHE 2020 in collaboration with Indian Culinary Forum ICF, and I am Chef Weber Bhargav presenting a culinary masterclass where I'm showcasing one of my signature recipe which I will showcase you. But before that, let's sanitize our hands before we start anything to save ourselves, and I'm sure you guys are also safe. I'm gonna remove this as we are all taking all the precautions, but just for this cooking class I'm removing my mask here. What we are doing today is it's one of the recipes which I go back when I was traveling a year back, and a very street food recipe you find in Malaysia, and it's Indonesia you call it. It's a combination, a very popular recipe called chicken rendang. So let's see what are the spice blends we required for this, and we go with this. So for the blend paste, what we required is shallots, around 5 to 6, which have been chopped here. I have some dry red chilies which are been soaked, and we're gonna do a blend of this. I'm gonna use a little bit of fresh red chilies also in this. 6 to 8 garlic cloves, 1 piece of ginger, and galangal, again a 1-inch piece, and a lemongrass stalk. So this is a blend of spices which we're gonna do. We're gonna take and we just mix it with the help of little water, and what we receive is a paste which something looks like this. So in chicken rendang, the importance is the chilies, which gives us a nice color. What we are doing is the spiciness can go because the Malaysian, they take it very spicy if you go. It's a good spice blend, but we have kept it moderate. We have taken like 8 to 10 dry red chilies. So this is a blend what you have received here. And after that, our main ingredient, what we're gonna use is chicken. Let's marinate our chicken. This is around a kg chicken. I'm using it here. And before using to marinate, let's wear some gloves. तो ये करीब 1 kg chicken I'm taking it. Very simple recipe, and what I'm gonna do is basic seasoning, a little bit of salt as per taste. थोड़ा कम ही रखेंगे क्योंकि we're gonna season it later also, and we're gonna use it and mix it. We're gonna chop थोड़ा सा chilies. Let's give it a slit. आपका स्पाइसेस जो है डिपेंड करता है आप कितना चिली डालते हैं. अदरवाइज इट इज़ अ वेरी फ्लेवरफुल रेसिपी बिकॉज ऑफ लेमन ग्रास, galangal, ginger, garlic. I'm using only 1 chili here just to give it a little touch of spice. And let's put here. And give it a nice mix. And I'm going to add a little oil in this. Around 2 tablespoons. Not much. So just seasoning of salt, chilies and little oil. So you can see this, and we cannot keep for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's start making our rendang paste. So let's this get marinated. बहुत सारे ऐसे ingredients हैं मलेशिया में, जैसे सांबल is very popular spice blend जिसको काफ़ी लोग खाते हैं. It's basically a chili which has been used. सातेज आप लोगों ने बहुत खाए होंगे. So this recipe what we are doing is basically a stew. It's a stew preparation, but आप इसको you can use it as a skewers if you like. You can just, convert a little bit with your innovation and make it like a skewers and make it like a yakitori style. Make it a all paste and then you can grill it. But we are doing a little classic only here, like a stew we're gonna do. So once the oil is little heat, I have used around 2 tablespoons of oil here. I'm gonna use the spices, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 2 or 3 cloves, 2 and 3 small cardamoms, green cardamoms, and let's little take out the aroma from the spices. बहुत सारी अलग अलग रेसिपीज आपको मिलेंगी, बहुत से, बट what we are doing is a very classic, very simple, easy to make. All the ingredients you can find at your nearby stores, nearby markets, supermarkets. There are options of, in case you don't want to do this much of hard work, आजकल rendang paste का भी you will find the bottles which you can use. So now the aroma is there coming. It's a nice aroma. I'm going to use the blend now here. So now we're going to cook this nicely. Till the time all the water will be evaporated and it becomes a little darkish. Once we start cooking it, it keeps becoming dark. So it's a very slow cooking. It will take 15 to 20 minutes generally. So now we keep going and keep stirring around 5 to 8 minutes. और इसको जब ये पूरा पानी निकल जाएगा, it becomes also little dark. So then we're gonna use the chicken and other ingredients. So what are the other ingredients we're gonna use is, this is a dry coconut. I'm going to roast them in a pan later stage. We're gonna use the coconut milk. You can use any coconut milk. If you have a fresh coconut milk, that is best. We have this nice lemon leaves which are called kaffir lime also, which imparts a very nice flavor. So these are the ingredients we're going to use little later. So I would like to thank Indian Culinary Forum and IHE for giving me this opportunity also. It's always always feel proud and get connected with all the chefs fraternity and doing something which I always feel proud. And wearing this white jacket also, it's, as a chefs, it gives us an immense proud feeling. So thank you all the members who has given this opportunity so that I can showcase my skills. So it's time now. Let's the chicken which we have been marinating, now a mixture is slightly changed in color. So all the chicken in, and now we give it a nice, we're gonna little up the heat and give it a nice mix so that the chicken takes all the mix together in this. So now what we do is थोड़ा सा इसको roast होने देंगे so that it gets a little mark from the pans, and we're not going to touch for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it take a nice little color from the base, from the pan, and then we're gonna turn it. In the meantime, let's chop a bit of lemongrass, which also we're gonna use like this for the fine chop. These ingredients, if you see lemongrass, kaffir lime, galangal, you will find all these ingredients throughout Asia, from China to all the Bangkok, wherever you go, you will find all these ingredients. Okay, let's turn them. You can see the color marks here. I will just show you. Just see this. So now it's time to just turn around. Now we're gonna do let it cooking on this, and it's time to toast some coconut. I'm just putting it here. Let it keep going it, and let's toast some coconut. Start from a low heat because we don't want to burn it. That's very important. Gonna keep stirring. Nicely brown करना है, जलाना नहीं है. So we have to just keep stirring it nicely. Once you toast this, it's a beautiful flavor. I can't tell you how beautiful it is. I'm sure अगर आपने कोई भी coconut South Indian dish, अगर आप कोई chettinad dish बना रहे हैं, when you use this coconuts and all, it has a very nice aroma, and this aroma in this room is just very nice. The room is just full of this flavors of this coconut now, because the coconut release its oil and it has a nice flavor then. So by the time our chicken is cooking, I'm gonna toss it a bit. We have to control the heat because it's very suddenly you will see that the coconut starts getting brown and it starts getting burned. So we make sure that it's not get burned. That's very important. You see, now if you see the coconut start changing its color. See, a little brownish things are coming here. So very important that we keep stirring it and not let it burn. It's a very nice, see a slight color changes here, and we keep stirring till the time it becomes a nice roasted color coconut. The pan of the heat also make it cook, so it's time to remove it from the pan. It's nicely. Let's come back to our chicken here and let's increase some heat here, and we keep stirring this so that it not gets burned. Okay, now it's time to add the coconut milk. It's around 1 cup I have used in 1 kg. Time to add lemongrass which we chopped, and these beautiful flavorful lemon leaves. It will create a nice aroma. Just we can throw it, later you can remove it also. So just like this. So I'm using like 2 to 3 here to give it a nice aroma here, and let's stir it well. Give it a nice mix. And now the chicken will absorbs all the flavors of this lemon leaf, coconut milk, the rendang paste, the spices, and the chicken will start drying. So what we have to do is now just cook the chicken and cook it nicely so that all this coconut gets absorbed in this chicken. So let's give it a nice mix. smelling so nice. I can't tell you. I'm sure आप लोग ये recipe जरूर बनाएंगे. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how you like this recipe. And by the time it starts, if it is getting too thick, what we can do is we can use a little water just to let the chicken cook. A little bit water, not too much. And then let it be nicely cooked. So it will take another, again, I think 5 to 7 minutes to just absorb all the water. It becomes a nice dry chicken which can be eaten with nice piping hot steamed rice or a Malabar paratha, whatever you like. Simple roti, it's up to you, whatever you like. With the nice bread, you can do various preparations. You can make canapes out of it. There are various innovations you can do it at home. Multiple, I see a lot of these creative recipes these days on Facebook, on Instagram, where people are putting it, which is always good to see. We all learn sometime. So it's always good to exchange recipes, share ideas, so that we all grow together. Okay, now it's time, because it's become little, now it's time to add a little seasoning. At this point, very little again. I'm going to check it later, and I'm going to use a little sugar just to balance the spiciness of the blend, and then give it again a nice mix. So if you want it like a curry, little saucy, you want to eat it with the rice, you can leave little sauce into it so that you can have it with the rice. But otherwise, it's a little dry preparation. And now it's, by the time it is cooking, our coconut is also ready. So I'm gonna add a little later. I'm sure many people know what is ICF, and it's the Indian Culinary Forum, which is a body and an organization which is run by chefs, and for the chefs, for the professional, for the culinary students. So I'm sure jo log, the people who doesn't know, or the chefs who are not a part of ICF, I mean, it's a great opportunity for you. It's online forms are available, which you can fill it up and become a member, and you will get all the benefits from the organization. And you can see all these beautiful recipes from across all the chefs who are participating for this culinary master classes, and all these recipes are directly reaches to you. Let's put the coconut here. I'm going to do a little more coconut, a little more color here by the time the chicken is cooking. A little more color because we need a little darkish, and right now you can see it's a nice light brown, but I will be very careful कि ये जले ना. So another minute or so, I think we'll get the nice little darkish color. Okay, the sarjandang, if you see, it is a very dark color preparation. The paste becomes, because of the chilies, what you get in Indonesia, or because of the sambal paste. But our color is lighter because of the chilies, as we have reduced that. But of course, it will go more darkish if you like. So we just make it a nice dark coconut here. A minute. Smelling very, very nice. You can see it started changing more darker now, if you can see here. But keep stirring, don't go away, because otherwise your coconut will burn. It will just here and there of 30 seconds and you will burn your coconut. So very important, concentrate here, don't lose, try to do too many things together. Now you see that before it was a little lighter, now it is more darkish in color. So now you see this is what we need, a nice roasted coconut. So let's bring the chicken back, and we're gonna use the coconut here. You see, जो पानी है वो एब्जॉर्ब हो गया है चिकन के अंदर, चिकन भी नाइसली कुक हो गया है. Let's just check if the chicken is cooked. Yes, I think very nice, soft, juicy, I think. And you can see all the water or the coconut milk that we have used has been absorbed. It's time to plate the dish. Our dish is ready, it's time to plate. It's a very nice aroma of coconut, spices, cinnamon, star anise. And I love coconut, so I think this is one of my favorite dishes. And what we're gonna do, just for nice, I have this nice beautiful beetroots, and I'm gonna make a nice flour just for make it nice, beautiful. What we're gonna do is, these are simple roundels I have taken out from the beet. These are raw only, and then I'm just using these. These are very thin. That's a skill which actually shows, and I'm making into a little flower shape just to make it a nice thing. And we're going to use a little sprinkle of this toasted coconut, a very little, nice. So here it goes, our rendang chicken recipe. So thank you so much for watching this recipe, and thank you for joining us at IHE 2020 in our culinary masterclass. And this is Chef Vaibhav Bhargav signing off for the day. Thank you.